and how to avoid it. Let me save you thousands of dollars right now, because there is one LEAPS mistake that quietly destroys profits, even when you pick the right stock. And most people have no idea they're doing it. Today I'm going to show you what that mistake is, why it happens, and exactly how to fix it, so your LEAPS start behaving like real investments instead of lottery tickets. The big mistake. The #1 LEAPS mistake is this: buying cheap, far out of the money LEAPS. They look attractive because they're cheap. You see a call for $200, another for $900, and you think, why would I pay more for the same stock? But that cheap LEAPS is actually the most dangerous one you can buy. Why it destroys profits. 1. Low delta. You don't move with the stock. Delta tells you how much your option moves when the stock moves $1. For example, delta E 0.25. That means you only get 25 cents of every $1 move. Delta E 0.70. That means you only get 70 cents of every $1 move. So your cheap LEAPS might have a delta of 0.20 or 0.30, which means even if the stock rallies, your option barely moves. 2. High theta equals silent daily bleeding. Theta is the silent killer. Even long-term LEAPS still lose value every single day. Cheap, out of the money, have much higher theta, meaning they bleed faster, so while you're waiting for the stock to go up, your option is quietly shrinking. 3. Time works against you, not for you. People think LEAPS give you time on your side, but cheap LEAPS actually put time against you. You need a big move, fast, just to break even. Real example. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. Stock at $100. Stock goes up $10. Cheap call plus $280. Same stock, same move, but very different results. The fix. Here is your signature LEAPS rule. Delta 0.65, 0.85, theta as small as possible. Time 12 to 24 months. Strike. Near the money or ITM, you are not buying lottery tickets. You are buying leveraged stock positions. Mental shift. LEAPS should behave like a stock, but with leverage. If your option doesn't move when the stock moves, you're not investing, you're gambling. Quick checklist. Before you buy, delta 0.65 plus, low theta, 12 plus months out. Stock in strong uptrend. Avoid cheap FAR OTM calls. Once you fix this one mistake, LEAPS suddenly become calm, powerful, predictable wealth builders. Follow for more LEAPS strategies that actually work.